welcome. Andy here.
And Leslie's hidden over here.
We're still at Smallwood Vintage Rally and Steam Rally. We're in the tractor section now, and these are just coming out of the show ring, going back to go on display. So we'll just step a little bit closer to them. See what we got coming along.
It's getting noisier.
Yeah, it's just getting noisy. Mind you, I have had a heavy cold, so I'm struggling to with my voice a little bit. Although it's a lot better today than it has been. Young lad driving this little blue one coming along. Little mini tractor. Show you around the tractors. Very popular model, massive Fergie. Always lots of those at these vintage shows. Wash our backs all the time. There's tractors driving about here everywhere, coming in back from the ring. Young girls driving them. Tractors and more tractors. There's quite a turnout of tractors here at the show today. All sorts of different models. Even a Fiat. You don't see many vintage Fiats. Oh, and look what we got coming up. On our right hand side, the one with the flags on it is an Eager Beaver forklift. Now we used to sell these. In fact, the last one I sold about 5 years ago. That was one we used to use in the yard. XMOD. Quite a dangerous machine because that one has had a safety cage put on it. Normally they don't have the safety cages on them. That's quite an interesting item at the show. Let's take you around. It's got a Perkins engine with a Bedford gearbox and transfer box. It's what the army actually built themselves. Quite a useful vehicle. Let's have a little under a gun a bit further on. Yeah, three-legged dog, poor dog. Oh, little pink tractor. It's got to be a lady owner, that one.
Don't be sexist.
Well, it might be a man, yeah. Back out the ring. All got smiles on their faces. They're enjoying their day. Round to our right. Another 2 rows of tractors. Quite a popular vehicle for vintage shows because you just buy an old tractor. You don't even have to do it up, just bring it to the show as it is. Like many of them do, like the 2 here, the Ford and the Davy Brown. Straight from the farm to a show. Some people like to spend hours on them, like this Ford that's coming up. All painted up and looking pristine. Yellow Fergie. Don't see many yellow ones. Parked by a little grey Fergie.
That's the noisy one.
That is a noisy one. It's behind us. Yeah. That could be one that's being used for tractor pulling.
Possibly.
Yeah, there is tractor pulling at the show. We might see that later. Right, that's the end of the tractor section. If you like what you see, click the like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.